first thing you do is get a screwdriver. You look for the on-off arrows there. You get your screwdriver, and slip it in as so, and it will just wedge it over the top. So you go around where the slots are, you open it slowly, where the slots are, just wedge it in. Therefore that's the way to open it. You take the top off, that part off, you take this out, and everything will come apart as so. So now you've got the washer, the spring, and these two parts for the top of the nylon cutter. So what you do now is where these two slots are, you just put your cable into there, you slot it into these two sides here, so they're both around like that, and you put your washer back in here and the spring back in there as so, and you slot it back in there, and that should bounce up and down like that. Now you get where the slots are there, where the cable's stuck in the slots, you just pull that around, just feed this out as you're pulling it around, and that'll slip out like that as so. I'll do the same with this one, and that's like that as so. You put this back on the top compartment, and then you slip this over the top like that. Now, where the on-off arrows are there, you get all your slots there, so you make sure all the way around they join up with the slots, and you slip it in. So now it's all the way around, it's sitting in like that. Then you push the actual bottom part, this, anti-clockwise, so one of the slots, like that slot there, goes into the off position. So I'm pushing it around like that now. That's it, it's in. Takes a little bit of effort to get it, but once you get used to it, it'll be easy. So that's it, that's the actual head.